Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Shield certified 2016 Acura ILX. Let's take a look at some of the features inside the vehicle. This vehicle comes with memory seat functions for 2 different drivers, power mirrors, locks and windows, power seating, full leather seats, a sunroof up top, and a very spacious 5-passenger interior. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls, as well as adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. It has a built-in navigation system, a rear view camera with 3 different view modes. There's wide, normal, and top-down. It also has USB and auxiliary ports, Sirius XM radio, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.